Welcome to the Silicon Architects, the podcast that covers hidden foundations of our digital world. I am your host, Desir, and I am going to discuss the invisible engineers, the computer engineers who wired up our connected world. I am not alone. I am here with Haris, Faris, Roshan, Abdullah, and Shamir to cover this story. Together, we will dive into the stories, struggles behind this connected world. So, first we will discuss from Haris' side.
Okay, so when you look at the modern devices from a satellite to a modern doorbell, it relies on both software and hardware side. As you know, that our computer engineering department relies on both domains of hardware side and software side as well. And together they craft the physical circuits and write the complex codes that makes everything functional and it relies on both software and hardware domains.
Okay.
Yes, you're right, Haris. It all starts with a tiny microscopic level with processor design. The chips inside your phone or laptop, these all are created by the engineers. They make sure the chips can work dynamically and super fast and handle all the data in processor at a single time. They are the real builders of the behind the power of our devices.
Also, this power is fundamental to networking and the internet. The entire structure of how information travels, the routers, the protocols, the massive data centers, that infrastructure was built by computer engineers. They created the plumbing for the digital age.
Well, yes, we can't forget the critical role of embedded system. These are the silent dedicated computer inside everything. Cars, medical scanners and industrial robots. Computer engineers ensure these systems are highly safe and reliable and without any task fail.
Well, we all know the connected world is also a vulnerable world that bring us to cybersecurity. Engineers develop the robust encryption and network security system that defend our data and critical infrastructure from constant threats, or they are the digital guardians, as we say.
So, to conclude from all of your discussions, we can say that computer engineers build chips, build networks, and help in various fields for computing infrastructure like artificial intelligence and in cybersecurity. So, Haris, let's explore that how this composition works.
So AI and machine learning demands intense computational resources, and computer engineers are constantly optimizing hardware accelerators like GPUs, specialized AI chips, and to handle the vast calculations needed for training those complex models quickly and efficiently. These tasks are to be done in the favor of the computer engineering department.
I agree with you.
Yes, you're absolutely right, Haris. AI and machine learning has taken over the world, and these really command need high computational power, like GPUs and chips. These are the really needed in this world to complete the calculations in a given time, and it make it more efficiently. Well, and looking ahead, computer engineers they are also pushing the quantum computing and low power systems altogether. They are working to solve the next level generations of calculations with ease and with time in concern, with stretching the limits of what physically possible with circuits, materials, or entirely new ways of processing the information. These information will shape the future of technology itself.
That is a very good point, and I would like to add one thing more that their work is also critical in the Internet of Things, IoT expansion. They design the low power chips and the efficient communication standards that allow literally billions of devices to connect and exchange data also. This enables that our homes and cities, our regular work that we do, is turning into intelligent systems rather than the old classical system that is now eradicated from the modern world.
Yes, I agree with you, Roshan. In health and medicine, embedded systems designed by computer engineers are inside pacemaker and advanced diagnostic equipments. Their precision and reliability directly impact human life, quality saving lives every day.
Essentially, every single interaction we have online, streaming a video, sending a message, banking relies on layers of hardware and software designed and maintained by these invisible engineers. They truly build our connected world from the ground up.
A huge thank you to the entire team to keep the light on the essential topic of computer engineers. Well, from all the discussion, we have seen that computer engineers are playing an important role in our industry, including AI. And thank you for tuning in Silicon Architects. We are plenty more discussions to plan more onwards. Stay tuned, stay connected.